A big timber company is joining a nonprofit that helps with the mental health of firefighters. That effort is called Fighting Fires Together. And as Tim Gordon reports, the need is greater than ever.
More and more wildland fires that used to burn in the wilderness are reaching our communities.
And it's all around us.
And that adds to the behavioral health stress on the men and women who fight those fires, according to Firefighter Behavioral Health Alliance founder Jeff Dill.
So now the wildland firefighters are dealing with the trauma and the tragedies of people and their homes and their lives.
We've seen a lot of that in the West. The last few years have been brutal. 2020 in particular, with the Alameda fire in southern Oregon wiping out hundreds of homes, and the Beachy Creek fire burning through the Santiam Canyon. The same thing there, and it claimed at least 5 lives. Jessica Daly is now a forester with Weyerhaeuser, but was in her 3rd year as an ODF firefighter in 2020.
And so I'm here to kind of bring that empirical experience from a firefighter's side to what mental health toll that took, because I saw it on the faces of my crew. And we were driving through our homes, our communities, and seeing the devastation.
The trauma of seeing the devastation of those fires back in 2020, that devastation they carry with them. And because they're supposed to be strong and brave and not talk about it, they take it home.
Dill's organization has validated more than 1,700 firefighter and EMS suicides in the U.S. and Canada since 2010 to bring light and resources to the problem. He says since 2020, suicide has taken the lives of 4 wildland firefighters in Oregon, 4 in Washington, and 4 in Idaho. And those are just the ones they've been able to confirm.
That's why we reached out to Jeff and his organization to just create a resource, a simple, easy to use confidential page so that wildland firefighters could go there and get help that they needed.
Now Weyerhaeuser is pitching in with a grant that funds an online behavioral health site specifically for wildland firefighters, where they can go to find counseling and support groups.
And just stories so that people can share and know that they're not alone after they fight these fires.
Tim Gordon, KGW News.
Such critical work that they've done for us as well. Now